never done this before, so this is not really a case of this is how you do it. This is a case of let's have a go and see what happens, really. Well, we were digging up our big lily bulbs, which you'll probably be able to catch up on a separate clip if you look on our channel. And as we were digging them up, we managed to damage a couple of bulbs, and these scales fell off. And I remembered, ding, that actually you can propagate, you can make new plants from these scales. So I've picked out some different size ones. Some are better than others, some are damaged, and I've never done this before, so this is not really a case of this is how you do it. This is a case of let's have a go and see what happens, really. So I'm going to put these scales into this bag of quite dry compost, just a little bit of moisture in there. Mixing it in there. Managed to make a little hole in that, that's not so good. Just going to lightly tie it off like that. And apparently if you leave those in there for a few months, some of them will start to root. So I'm going to pop that in the shed and see what happens maybe towards spring. The other thing, so we're looking at how we can propagate some new bulbs. Scales is one way, and if that works, the plants that come from those scales will be exactly the same, in theory, as the parent bulb, the same colour. However, as we were cutting back the stems of these bulbs, there were some dead flowers, some little kind of pods like this, and if you come in a little bit closer, you can see that when we break open the pods, there's dozens of these what look like little seeds to me. So in the pot they go with some compost, probably far too many in there, but we're allowing for some of them not to take. I'm going to just cover that with a little bit of compost in a moment. Now these may not come true to type, because these may have been pollinated by another variety of lily. We grow, I don't know, probably 6 or 7 different types of lilies in our garden, so it'll be interesting to see what comes up, if anything, from these, and it'll take us a few years to build them up and see what colour. Maybe we'll have a new variety of lily that we can patent, and maybe we'll call it something like the Anthony lily, because it was being overwatched by our ant as we propagated them. So a little bit of compost on top. Here's the compost here. And I'm going to put this outside, but in quite a warm, sheltered spot, up against a wall around the corner here, near our porch, and that will be quite outside. It'll have a bit of frost on it, and we'll see if we can get them to germinate next spring. Watch this space.